Now it has been over a month that I haven't been here, so no progress in the working space and nothing to talk about or to show in a video. That's why that was some silence. In the meantime, I have been in Basel and 1 week in Berlin. And now I'm back here, and as you can see, it's splendid. As soon as I got back here, I attacked like the maybe fourth door because I could feel winter coming. I mean, you couldn't tell now because that's 3 days later and it's a wonderful late summer day. But as soon as it's raining or it's cloudy, especially in the evening, one would like to close all doors and maybe put on a fire. So that's why immediately I attacked this door in the back, the exit of the Magazzino. I brought from Basel already like last year, and not so old door with windows in it. I found that door, it's a double door, in front of a house just in my street where I live, a house that they were renovating, and they just threw out all the windows and this door. I invested actually quite a while to put this or to take this old color away. There were many different layers of pale white and quite an ugly yellow color. But I saw it was like a good structure, and the glass it's a double glass. It's good quality, quite heavy, the whole thing. So it was worthwhile to invest a bit. But actually, when you do it for the first time, you see like this kind of things, like windows or doors. They have so many different angles and sides actually, and parts to take care of. This really adds up. I went with hot air, kind of like a hairdryer, but much hotter, much warmer air, and then just with tools and spatula and stuff. So I bought white color, and now you see me putting on the color, which is kind of meditative. It's different from all the work that I have been done now. It's just a matter of passing time and be a little bit accurate.
La percezione e la cura dei tumori, mettendo al centro il malato e non la sua malattia. Ascolta il nuovo podcast di Fondazione Renovation.
El sufrimiento nació el lamento, nació el lamento de esta canción.
Today I hope I can put in the second wing of this now so-called white door, that I can finish in that shady corner. And nobody is ever going to see that door, but because I spend so much time with it, sometimes I just sneak around the corner in the back there and just have a look